Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
Hi, friends! We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we will learn something very useful.
How to say sorry in English.
That's right. Saying sorry is very important. Don't worry if it feels difficult. We will go slowly, step by step.
Yes, and we will give you simple sentences you can use in many situations.
First, let's start with the easiest way.
You can simply say, I'm sorry.
Repeat after me. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Good. You can also say, I'm very sorry.
Let's repeat. I'm very sorry.
Another way is, I apologize.
Yes, I apologize is a little more formal.
Great. So we have three ways. I'm sorry, I'm very sorry, and I apologize.
Now let's practice a short conversation. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Thank you. I will be more careful next time.
No problem. I appreciate your apology.
See? Simple and polite.
Sometimes